As we count down to Christmas, a local family is turning to their neighbors for help after a fire destroyed their home. Investigators believe the Marshall home was struck by lightning in Tuesday's storms. Our Jesus Martinez is joining us now in the newsroom. Jesus, you spoke to the family this morning. How do they plan to move forward?
Hey there, Marino. A house fire is the very last thing anyone wants right before the holidays, and this community has stepped up to help this family in a big way.
He heard a loud pop, my neighbors heard a loud pop, and there was lightning all around the house at the time. So,
just days before Christmas, Scott Robertson's son was in their house as the storms rolled through East Texas Tuesday afternoon.
He called and saw smoke and fire, and got himself and our pets out of the house and ran to the end of the driveway, and then emergency services showed up to fight the fire.
This is what their house looks like now. Twisted and melted metal sheets on top of charred bricks and debris.
It's a total loss, so we have lost everything.
Robertson says he and his family are overwhelmed by the amount of support they have received over the last 48 hours.
We've just been bombarded with love and support and help, and that's just been a blessing so far.
A blessing that was unexpected.
I mean, I serve our community as law enforcement, as a Texas game warden, and I'm used to being the one that serves, not getting help, and so I'm very overwhelmed, very thankful that the community that I serve has turned around and is serving us in a very selfless capacity.
Members of the Emmanuel Baptist Church and the community launched a fundraiser to gather donations to get their family back on their feet.
It is a family because we have folks that have been working tirelessly on our behalf, that has been coordinating clothing donations, monetary donations, and not asked for anything in return. But
and last time we checked, that fundraiser has almost $14,000. And if you would like to help, we have those things on our website, cbs19.tv. Mara.
So much, Jesus, for that update.